So today is the 2nd of August and we are going to the fair. Right, Ricky? Well, Ricky's not going to the fair. Me and Cam and Emma are going to the fair, take pictures, and I'm leaving for that now. So, yeah. We're probably not gonna ride rides or anything because it's really expensive. But we're gonna take some pictures and stuff, just do things that don't cost money. I think it's $5 to get into the fair though, which is kind of dumb, and then you pay $8 for a corn dog, but that's whatever. So we are on our way there, or I'm on my way there now, and then I'm gonna meet up with them, and yeah, so that's the plan. I'll probably get some fair food because I really want some fair food, but I got my peace tea from Dollar General, so I think I'll be good. I don't need a lemonade shake up or anything, so.
Is that a selfie stick?
Yeah.
My car is actually in traffic.
Hello.
Don't look all the way back.
Don't look back there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look back there now. Okay, that's not awful.
It's not good though.
Hi. So we're going to Goodwill?
Yes.
Okay.
That's gonna work out for me. This will be cute crop too.
Oh.
Head down, booty popping and a handstand. I shine bright, I give girls like 10.
We found a friend.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Adam. New friend.
Yeah, we just met him 2 minutes ago, but
We're gonna have an awesome fun night at the McLean County Fair. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna party. We're gonna go pet some animals.
Yes.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, bless you.
Hi, honey.
You're so cute.
And our second contestant tonight is Miss Lauren Tuga. Lauren has the best summer job, nanny to the cutest little goat. All right, another round of applause for our two contestants. Brianna is from Laurel, Maryland, where she is an art student and she's a junior.
Oh my gosh, look how bad they are. Why are you so bad?
Let me do it. Oh! Uh-oh, don't tip over that water. Got me thirsty. Get me in trouble.
They're so plump. He's literally eating the goat food.
It's half a cow.
Bye. Bye.
Oh yeah, what?
Look at this.
If we're trying.
Yeah, we're breaking free.
Oh, we're breaking free. Oh.
We're going for the baby bunnies. We got free baked potatoes from Miss Davis. I missed it. Hi, Kaylan.
She's vlogging.
Hello, my day.
Do it for the vlog.
Oh! Honey.
I'm really scared of that thing.
Honey.
I do, Lord.
Chicken dinner. Just barely.
Oh my god.
I think I'm good.
Sorry, you're not that tall.
Yeah.
You're not that tall.
You're not that tall either.
No, you're this tall.
I'm this tall.
No, you're this tall.
You're this
You're
tall.
about
You're about that tall.
with the lights in the back. Vlog or take pictures. We're just here.
You're both boring.
We're just here to look pretty.
I do cool things, just not on camera. Thank you.
Oh, okay, all right. Look at this bright mess.
Like if that thing was spinning, I would totally do it.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh shit.
He just said the P word in front of like all of these children.
Flip it around on me.
It's on you.
Oh.
We made more friends.
I was already an established friend.
He says I was already an established. My name's Kale, like
Hi.
the vegetable.
I'm Tate Wolcott, I'm like 6 foot.
Oh, all right. Oh, well, we know you.
I've already been introduced.
Have you been introduced? Did you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I said I'm Adam.
This is Adam for like the third time now.
Philly Murray.
Oh, hey.
Get the point. Oh my god.
I'm Kyle Eastham.
Hello.
Oh my god.
I'm Adam Murray.
How you?
Oh, we were born to be together. Born to be together.
He took my life.
I don't know how it happened.
She's in the fucking head.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and
Dance with me. This boy is my destiny. I said, ooh.
Currently like 10 o'clock and I'm out past curfew and I'm really nervous, but we're going to Walmart. Just don't tell anybody. Don't tell the cops. Half and half.
Oh, this is gonna be expensive. What the heck, Mom?
Yeah.
I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know.
I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swag, swag, swag on you.
Chilling by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know.